Hello guys, this is Gurjap and we are continuing our chapter of probability, and today's our topic is probability of an event. Now we know in a sample space S, every element is called an outcome. So equally likely outcome means if each outcome has an equal probability, those outcomes are called equally likely outcomes. Okay, now consider a sample space S which has equally likely outcomes and an event A associated with this sample space. Then probability of event A is given as n of A, which means number of elements in A divided by number of elements in sample space, or in your textbook it is mostly written as number of favorable outcomes of A divided by total number of outcomes. This is the formula to find probability of an event, that is number of element in A divided by number of element in S, or number of favorable outcomes of A divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, now next is probability of event A or B. Now suppose again we have a sample space S and two events A and B associated with this sample space. Okay, so probability of A or B, which implies A union B, so probability of A or B is equal to probability of A union B, and it is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, which is probability of A and B. Okay, but in case if A and B are mutually exclusive, ME इस केस में हम यूज कर रहे हैं to write mutually exclusive. So if A and B are mutually exclusive event, in that case probability of A or B becomes probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, now third point is probability of not A. अगर हमारे पास probability of A दी गई है, या हमने probability of A निकाल चुके हैं, हम A कोई इवेंट है सैम्पल स्पेस S से एसोसिएटेड, हमने A की probability निकाल दी, तो probability not A, let's write it over here, probability not A is equal to 1 minus probability of A. So these are a few formulas that we'll be using in solving some examples. Now in this example we are given a coin is tossed twice. What is the probability that at least one tail occurs? So firstly, if a coin is tossed twice, its sample space is equal to head head, head tails, tail heads and tail tail. ये आ गया हमारे पास सैम्पल स्पेस, दैट इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ आउटकम्स. तो सेकंड हमारे पास एक इवेंट है जिसमें अ हेड अ टेल अकर्स. सो इवेंट ए इज इक्वल टू अ टेल अकर्स विच इज इक्वल टू, अब टेल किस किस केस में है, 1 2 3 केसेस में. सो इवेंट ए इज इक्वल टू टी एच टी एंड टी टी. सो probability of A is equal to number of elements in A divided by number of element in S, or number of favorable cases of A over total number of cases. So A के पास कितने केसेस है, एलिमेंट्स है 1 2 3, सो 3 डिवाइडेड बाय सैम्पल स्पेस में कितने हैं 1 2 3 4, 3 by 4, which is the probability of event A. Now next example is a die is thrown. We have to find the probability of following events. First one is a prime number. Say this event is event A. Second event is number greater than or equal to 3. Let's say this event is event B. Similarly, number greater than 6, it's event C, and number less than 6, it's called event D. Okay, तो हमें पहले निकालनी है सबसे पहले probability of event A. So event A is total number of prime numbers. Firstly, sample space in this case S is a die is thrown, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the sample space, and event A is prime number. So prime number कौन से हमारे पास 2 3 and 5. So prime numbers are 2 3 5. So probability of event A in this case is equal to number of elements in A divided by number of elements in sample space, which is 3 divided by 6, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Now second is event B. So event B is number greater than or equal to 3. So number of elements event B will be equal to, now it is greater than or equal to 3, means 3 भी included होगा. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. So probability of B will be equal to number of elements in B divided by number of elements in sample space, which is equal to 4 upon 6, which is equal to 2 upon 3. Third event is number greater than 6. अब 6 से कितने बड़े हैं यहाँ पे? 0 नंबर्स हैं यहाँ पे 6 से बड़े. So event C, number of, so probability of event C will be equal to number of elements in event C. कितने elements हैं? 0 divided by number of elements in sample space, which is 6. So probability of event C is 0. Last is number less than 6. तो इसमें सिर्फ लेस देन 6 बोला है, लेस देन इक्वल टू 6 नहीं बोला. सो कौन कौन से एलिमेंट होंगे इसमें? 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. 6 क्या हो जाएगा? एक्सक्लूड हो जाएगा. सो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन इवेंट डी आर 5 एलिमेंट्स एंड नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सैंपल स्पेस आर 6. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर इवेंट डी विल बी इक्वल टू, probability of D is equal to 5 divided by 6, and hence the result. Now in this example we are given a pack of 52 cards, okay, और हमें select करना है a card. Now first point is we have to find out how many points are in sample space. So since it's a pack of 52 cards, so sample space will have 52 elements, okay, so there are 52 points in the sample space. Second point is, first हो गया, second point is probability that card is ace of spade. अब ace of spade कितने होते हैं? हमारे पास spade, ace of spade सिर्फ एक होता है. So in event A, say this is event A, number of elements in event A are 1, okay, ace of spade सिर्फ एक होता है. So probability of event A will be equal to 1, that is number of element in A divided by number of elements in sample space, which are 52. Now for third case we have to find out probability that card is a ace. Last case में क्या था? We have to find if the card is ace of spade. Ace of spade होते हैं 1, और इस बारे में निकालना है if the card is an ace. Ace कितने होते हैं हमारे पास? 4. This, let's say this is event B, so total of number of elements event B are 4. So probability of B will be equal to number of elements in B divided by number of elements in sample space, which is equal to 4 upon 52. Next point is we have to find probability if the card is black. अब black cards कितने होते हैं? 26 black cards, बाकी के red cards. So if this is event C, number of elements in event C are 26. So probability of C will be equal to 26 divided by 52, which is equal to 1 upon 2, and hence the result. Now in this example there are 4 men and 6 women in a city council. If one council member is to be selected for a committee at random, how likely it is that it is a woman? So firstly हमारे पास कितने हैं? 4 men. Men is equal to 4. Let's M denotes men and W denotes woman. So W is equal to 6. Total number of members कितने हो गए? 10. तो sample space is equal to number of elements in sample space is equal to 10. अब हमारे पास से W is the event that it is a woman. So हमें निकालना है इसकी probability. So probability that the member selected is a woman is equal to number of elements in event W, which is equal to 6 divided by number of element in sample space. We can also read it as number of favorable cases of W divided by total number of cases. So which is equal to event W के पास कितने elements है? 6 divided by 10, which is equal to 3 upon 5. Now in this example we are given probability of event A is equal to 1 by 3, probability of event B is equal to 1 by 5, and probability of A and B is equal to 1 by 15. We have to find probability of A or B or probability of A union B. So we know probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection of A intersection B or A and B. सबकी वैल्यू हमारे पास है, पुट कर दो. वी गेट 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 15. टेकिंग LCM we get 15. 3 5s are 15, so 5 plus 5 3s are 15. 3 minus 1, which is equal to 5 plus 3 8. 8 minus 1 upon 15, which is equal to 7 upon 15. Second question is, we have probability of A is equal to 3 upon 5, probability of B is equal to 1 upon 5. We have to find probability of A or B if A and B are mutually exclusive events. So in case if two events are mutually exclusive event, probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. दोनों की वैल्यूज हमारे पास है, पुट करेंगे, वी गेट 3 अपॉन 5 प्लस 1 अपॉन 5, टेकिंग एलसीएम 5, 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 upon 5, and hence the result. Now in this example, we are given if 2 by 11 is probability of an event A, what is the probability of event not A? Now given probability of event A is equal to 2 upon 11, we have to find probability of not A. And we know probability of an event, that is probability of event not A is equal to 1 minus probability of event A. So we have the value of probability of event A, putting it we get 1 minus 2 upon 11, taking LCM 11 in denominator 11 minus 2, which is equal to 9 upon 11, and hence the result. Now in this example we are given probability of event A is equal to 0.42, probability of event B is 0.48, probability of event A intersection B is equal to 0.16. We have to find out probability not A, not B, and A union B. So first case is probability not A. We know probability not A is equal to 1 minus probability of A. Probability of A is 0.42. So we get 1 minus 0.42, which is equal to 0.58. First part solved. Second part is probability not B. So probability not B is equal to 1 minus probability of B. Probability of B is given 0.48. So 1 minus 0.48 is equal to, ये तो मैं जल्दी कर रहा हूँ, इसको सॉल्व करने का डिटेल्ड है, 1.00 हो गया, सेम रहा. सो 1.00 माइनस 0.48 इज इक्वल टू 0.52. ओके, लास्ट पार्ट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी. वी नो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए और बी is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. तीनों की वैल्यू है हमारे पास. फर्स्ट वन इज 0.42 plus 0.48 minus 0.16 which is equal to 0.90 minus 0.16 which is equal to 0.74, and hence the result. Now in this example we are given that in class 11th 40% students study mathematics, 30% students study bio, 10% study math and bio, and we have to find the probability of students that study both maths or bio. So in this case probability, let's say event A is all the students that study maths, event B for all the students that study bio. So probability of event in this case is 40 upon 100, which is equal to 4 upon 10, which is equal to 2 upon 5. Second is probability for event B is equal to 30 upon 100. 30% is 30 upon 100 probability, so it is equal to 3 upon 10. Third is 10% for maths and bio, which means maths is event A, bio is event B, so maths and bio implies A intersection B. So probability for A and B is equal to 10%, that is 10 upon 100, which gives us 1 upon 10. Now we have to find probability of A or B. So probability A or B is equal to probability of A union B, which is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. सबकी वैल्यू है हमारे पास, पुट कर दो, वी गेट probability of A is 2 upon 5, so 2 upon 5 plus probability of B is 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10 minus probability of A intersection B, which is equal to 1 upon 10. So its solution will be taking LCM आ गया 10 upon, this is equal to 4 plus 3 minus 1, which is equal to 7 minus 1 upon 10, which is equal to 6 upon 10, which is equal to 0.6, and hence the result. So guys, this was it for today. This completes our chapter of probability. If you have any doubts regarding this chapter or any problems that you want us to solve, you can leave them down in the comment section. So until next time, keep practicing.